Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best compact ovens for baking of 2026. Best small ovens for baking at home. Whether you're baking cookies, toasting bread, reheating leftovers, making homemade pizza, or preparing quick family meals, a compact countertop oven can deliver impressive performance while saving valuable kitchen space. Today's best compact ovens feature fast preheating, convection technology, multiple cooking functions, adjustable temperature controls, energy-efficient operation, spacious interiors, and user-friendly controls that make everyday cooking simple and convenient. From smart countertop ovens packed with modern features to budget-friendly baking ovens that fit perfectly in small kitchens, apartments, dorms, and RVs, there's an option here for every home cook. In this guide, we'll explore the best compact ovens available this year and explain what makes each one stand out. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's start baking. Starting off with the Chef IQ Mini Oven Smart Toaster Oven. This innovative compact oven combines smart technology with impressive cooking performance in a space-saving design. Equipped with multiple cooking modes, it allows users to bake, broil, roast, toast, air fry, and reheat a wide variety of meals with excellent consistency. Smart connectivity lets users access guided cooking features and convenient controls through a compatible mobile app, making meal preparation even easier. The powerful heating system and efficient airflow promote even cooking while reducing overall cooking time. Despite its compact footprint, the interior offers enough room for everyday baking tasks, including cookies, small pizzas, casseroles, and roasted vegetables. The modern digital interface simplifies temperature adjustments and cooking presets, while the sleek design looks great in contemporary kitchens. Users appreciate its smart functionality, reliable cooking performance, and premium build quality. Next up is the Val Cucina 6-in-1 Retro Air Fryer Toaster. A stylish countertop oven that combines vintage-inspired design with modern cooking capabilities. Offering 6 versatile cooking functions, it allows users to bake, toast, air fry, roast, broil, and warm a variety of foods using one compact appliance. The powerful heating elements and efficient air circulation help produce evenly cooked meals with crispy textures and consistent baking results. Its retro appearance adds charm to any kitchen while maintaining practical, everyday functionality. Easy-to-use control knobs simplify operation, allowing users to quickly adjust cooking temperature and timer settings. The spacious interior accommodates toast, pastries, pizzas, and baking trays while remaining compact enough for smaller countertops. Cleanup is made easier thanks to the removable crumb tray and accessible interior surfaces. Moving on, the BLACK+DECKER Air Fry Toaster Oven offers excellent versatility by combining traditional baking with modern air frying capabilities. Designed for busy households, this multifunction appliance allows users to bake, toast, broil, keep food warm, and prepare crispy meals using hot air circulation with little or no added oil. Its compact design fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops, while still providing enough interior space for everyday meals, snacks, and baked goods. Adjustable temperature controls and a convenient timer allow precise cooking, while the large viewing window makes it easy to monitor food without opening the door. Fast heating and even airflow help produce golden brown baked goods and evenly cooked meals every time. The removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup, making it practical for daily use. Users appreciate its reliable performance, affordable price, and ability to handle multiple cooking tasks with ease. The Elite Gourmet Personal Toaster Oven is an ideal solution for individuals, couples, students, and anyone with limited kitchen space. Designed with simplicity and convenience in mind, this compact oven is perfect for baking small portions, toasting bread, reheating leftovers, and preparing quick snacks without using a full-sized oven. Mechanical controls allow easy adjustment of temperature and cooking time, making operation straightforward for users of all experience levels. Despite its compact size, it delivers consistent heating for a variety of everyday cooking tasks while consuming less energy than many traditional ovens. The included baking tray and wire rack provide added flexibility for preparing different recipes, while the removable crumb tray helps keep cleanup quick and easy. Lightweight construction also makes it a practical choice for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and office kitchens. Users frequently praise its compact footprint, dependable performance, and excellent value. Finally, the BLACK+DECKER 21313 SBD Toaster Oven. earns the top spot as our favorite compact baking oven for 2026 thanks to its outstanding combination of performance, versatility, compact size, and exceptional value. Designed to handle everything from breakfast toast to homemade baked desserts and family meals, this countertop oven offers multiple cooking functions including baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. Its even toast technology helps distribute heat more evenly, producing consistent browning and reliable baking results across a wide range of recipes. The spacious interior accommodates several slices of bread, small pizzas, baking pans, and casseroles while maintaining a countertop-friendly footprint. Easy-to-use mechanical controls allow quick adjustment of temperature, cooking mode, and timer settings without unnecessary complexity. The large glass door provides excellent visibility throughout the cooking process, while the removable crumb tray makes cleanup fast and convenient. Users consistently praise its dependable heating performance, durable construction, simple operation, and excellent cooking consistency. All of these compact ovens offer valuable advantages depending on your cooking style and kitchen needs. The Chef IQ Mini Oven Smart Toaster Oven delivers premium smart cooking features. The Val Cucina 6-in-1 Retro Air Fryer Toaster combines attractive design with versatile cooking performance. The BLACK+DECKER Air Fry Toaster Oven offers multifunction convenience with air frying capability. The Elite Gourmet Personal Toaster Oven provides dependable everyday cooking in an ultra-compact design, while the BLACK+DECKER 21313 SBD Toaster Oven stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its consistent baking performance, generous capacity, ease of use, and outstanding value. When choosing a compact baking oven, it's important to consider interior capacity, cooking functions, temperature accuracy, heating performance, energy efficiency, ease of cleaning, countertop footprint, included accessories, control simplicity, and overall build quality. Selecting the right compact oven can make baking and everyday cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable without taking up valuable kitchen space. That wraps up our top 5 best compact ovens for baking of 2026, best small ovens for baking at home. Whether you're an experienced baker or simply looking for a convenient countertop oven for everyday meals, there's a perfect model on this list for your kitchen. Let us know in the comments which compact oven you'd choose, or if you're already using one of these excellent baking appliances. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy delicious homemade baking with confidence.